1. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for sending and receiving messages on WhatsApp. Here's how to ensure your connection is active. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi and experiencing issues, try switching to mobile data, or vice versa, to check if there's a problem with your current network. Restart your router. If using Wi-Fi, restart your router to refresh your internet connection. Airplane mode, toggle airplane mode on and then off again on your device to reset your network connections. 2. Verify the recipient's account status. If messages are not being delivered to a specific contact, the issue might be with the recipient's account rather than your own. Consider these points. Check for typos in the number. Ensure you've entered the correct phone number for your contact. Account deactivation. If the recipient has deactivated their WhatsApp account or switched to a new phone number, messages will not be delivered. Blocked by recipient. Consider if the recipient might have blocked you. WhatsApp does not notify you of being blocked, but undelivered messages can be a hint. 3. Update or reinstall WhatsApp. Sometimes, the problem could be with the WhatsApp app itself. Ensuring you're using the latest version of the app can resolve known bugs and improve functionality. Update WhatsApp. Visit your device's app store to check for and install any available updates for WhatsApp. Reinstall WhatsApp. Uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp can also help fix issues related to corrupted app data. Be sure to back up your chats before uninstalling to prevent data loss.